Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Satisfactory game any kind of lag, stuttering or FPS drop problem. To fix this problem, so please make sure you watch this whole video, so let's get started. Guys, first you have to close all the background processes, right click on your taskbar, open up the task manager. Here you just need to close all the useless application, then go to the startup apps, and here you just need to disable all of that application because when you start your PC, this application run automatically without your permission, so you just need to disable all of this application. Obviously when these applications are running, your game will be crashed because this will consume a lot of RAM CPU usage. After that guys, now the next setting is you can go to the window search and just type here the control panel and open it. Now we are going to set the high performance power plan, then select the large icons, then click on the power options, and on the left hand side just click on the create a power plan, then here just select the high performance if you have the PC. If you have the laptop, then select the balanced, click on the next, then click on the create. Guys, after creating the high performance power plan, now go to the window search again and type here the game mode, and game mode will appear on the top, so just open it, and by enabling it will close all the background processor when you are on the game, which will prevent any kind of lag or the shuttering problems, so make sure this is on. After that guys, now the next important setting is we are going to increase our virtual memory. Whenever our game need more GPU to run, our disk space is used instead of our RAM. So this will prevent any kind of lag or shuttering problems. To increase the virtual memory, go to the Windows set tab here, the View Advanced System Settings, and guys, this setting will show on the top, so just open it. Here in the Advanced tab, just click on the Settings option, then go to the Advanced tab, then click on the Change. And here just need to select the disk where your operating system is installed, then uncheck this box, then click on the custom size, then go to the window search and type here the calculator. Now we are going to calculate the memory. If you have the 16 GB of RAM, then multiply it to the 1024, which is the constant value, and just type this in the initial size, and multiply this value with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. Now your GPU memory is increased, and if you have the 32 GB of RAM, you can do the same steps, multiply it with the 1024, type this in the initial size, and just multiply it with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. Then just click on the option of set, then click on the OK, then apply this, click on the OK. Now guys, we are going to increase our number of processors. Whenever our game need more CPU to run, our maximum number of processors will be used. So to increase the processor, go to the Windows search and just type here the system configuration, open it, go to the boot and click on the option of advanced, and here check this box, and then just click on the here, and just here you can select the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 16, 8 or any other value, then just select it, click on the apply, click on the OK, then just click on the exit without restart. We will finally restart our PC after our complete settings. Then go to the Windows setup where the graphic settings, and it will appear on the top. Just open it. Here guys, just click on the game, then click on the options, and you will find the game here. So just click on the option, then here just select the high performance, so your satisfactory game will use all your graphic card power. So to add the game, click on the browse option. Here you just need to locate the folder where your satisfactory game is installed. Then just open up its launcher, click on the option, then select here the high performance. And this is very important setting guys. Then just simply restart your PC after all of the settings, and hope your any kind of lag or the shutting problem will be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, then you can lower your FPS in your game, or you can also decrease the resolution. This will fix your problem definitely. And if your problem is fixed, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.